I just wanted to talk about the candles, which are the Mashumba Saba. I incorrectly labeled them as the Nguso Saba in my first video, but the Nguso Saba is actually the 7 principles, while the Mashumba Saba are the 7 candles. So today we'll light candles for day 4. Umoja, Ujamaa, Ujamaa, and today is Ujamaa. Cooperative economics. Also, there has been different instructions on how to light your candles. The most common way that I have found, even in the kit for this Kwanzaa set, it says the unity candle first and then alternate between red and green. And so most people will start with the candles nearest the black candle. But for some reason or somewhere, I was taught that you go from the outside in. I guess it's to each his or her own, but that's what I've learned, and I just said I started it this way. I'll continue.
Appreciate you, sir. Yeah. I'll see you later, okay? I mean, even though he older, he come here by himself, I see you when I can.
Yeah.
You good, man. Stay out of trouble, huh?
Let me see a haircut. It's a lot of sun. So I just left the mall and I was showing a cookie company, Heaven's Bakery, that's in our urban malls here locally in the DMV. And what they're known for are their snickerdoodle cookies. And it's almost like the unofficial cookie of DC, if you ask me, because everybody that's native knows about them, has had some, loves them. And while they're not Black owned, they have been in our communities forever, or as long as I can remember. And I'm almost 40. So let me show you what they look like up close. So they're the closest things to diabetes, but it's for the culture. This probably looks a little gross, but don't let it scare you. It's really just a lot of gravy. And it looks like turkey or chicken-based gravy that's all over the yams and the turkey wings. I guess this is a typical Southern dish. Turkey wings, yams, and cabbage. And then each dish comes with a side of cornbread. And this is sweet potato pie. I think if you ask most Black people, I can safely assume or will tell you that we prefer sweet potato over pumpkin. It's always a personal preference, but you'll, at a family dinner, if they have pies, you're going to find a sweet potato pie, not pumpkin.